Mop heads stay secure when the handle and head use a matching clam jaw or similar positive lock mechanism that prevents slippage during use. Choose a clam jaw mop handle that matches the mop head manufacturer and model, because a precise fit reduces movement and wear. Before each shift, inspect the clamp for bent jaws, missing screws, and worn teeth, and replace any damaged parts. A small bend can cause gradual loosening that becomes a big problem during heavy scrubbing. When attaching the mop head, align the pocket or band evenly and push the head firmly into the clamp until you hear or feel a click. Then, perform a quick tug test by pulling the head away from the handle with steady pressure to confirm engagement. During rounds, plan brief checkpoints where staff retighten or reseat heads after every third room or every 10 minutes of continuous use, since water and soap can lubricate clamps and cause slippage over time. For heavy-duty or long runs, use a secondary safety tie, such as a short length of nylon twine, looped and tied through the mop head band and around the handle base to catch the head if the clamp fails. Keep spare clamps and replacement handles on the vehicle so a quick swap keeps productivity up and avoids stopping the job to hunt for parts. Common mistakes include assuming a new mop head will fit every clam jaw handle, which leads to wobble and early failure. The fix is to confirm manufacturer fit and carry at least one compatible spare head type. Another issue is neglecting clamp inspection and cleaning, which lets rust, soap, scum, and debris prevent proper closure. A brief daily rinse and visual check prevents most failures. A third problem is relying on finger tightness or loose screws instead of performing a tug test, so train staff to perform that simple pull test and to retighten or reseat heads during scheduled checkpoints. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work, and we also host an active discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange practical tips like mop head attachments and maintenance. We share guides, product names, and user experiences so we can all work smarter and keep jobs moving without frustrating interruptions.